Welcome you all to the presentation. We are group number 6 of Master of Business Studies, University of Kelaniya. I am Chandima and our group members are Dilini, Gayan, Bashini and Rashita. Today we will share information about how information technology influences the banking industry. The concept banking technology refers to use of advanced information and communication technologies as well as computer science to enable banks to provide better service to their consumers in a secure, reliable, and cost-effective manner while maintaining a competitive advantages over their competitors. Today, this presentation will cover the most recent technological advancements in the Sri Lankan banking industry and most recent untouched banking technology in Sri Lanka. The changes of applying the technology in Sri Lanka and the opportunities created by the recent technologies. Let us now focus our attention to the most recent technological advancement in the Sri Lankan banking sector. As part of banking strategy to compete in the competitive digitalization market, the majority of banks and financial institutions are moving to the digital banking era. According to the central bank publications, Sri Lanka had 24 licensed commercial banks, 6 licensed specialized banks, and 39 licensed finance companies as at 31st March 2021. The present sector and market players should be on the same page and as the bank future requirements. People can use latest banking technologies to perform advanced digital service, self-service tasks such as Visa card, MasterCard, debit and credit card, automated teller machines, point of sales, mobile applications, and online banking. In addition, the banking business experiences a number of technological advancements. The common card and payment switch has been organized as Sri Lanka's National Payment Switch and LCPL has begun operating CCAPS under the Lanka Pay brand. SLIPS is a same-day electronic payment transfer service and commonly used for bulk or monthly payment like standing orders, paychecks, and utility bill payments. An e-wallet is an electronic and digital device that allows transaction to be made using a single app on a computer or smartphones. To make payments, most e-wallets like credit or debit cards are linked to the user's bank account. As example, FreeMe Virtual Wallet in DFCC Bank, UPay, and VPay Sampath Bank. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka has launched a project called Lanka QR to ensure that all QR codes and QR-based transactions in the country are standardized. Sampath Bank has the Sri Lankan first video teller machine. Customers can use VTM to execute basic transactions, request financial services, or get rapid support from a remote bank teller via live conferencing. The first banking robot in Sri Lanka now can be seen at the Sampath Bank headquarters branch. In the shape of a humanoid robot, the banking robot is an automated teller that employs artificial intelligence to understand the verbal request and complete the appropriate transactions. In the last few decades, technology has improved dramatically. The digital era is present in everything from computers to laptops and iPads, software to applications, and mobile phones to Android devices. Currently, the majority of the consumers use mobile banking applications. Mobile banking apps provide speed, flexibility, and easy when making online transactions. Dilini, over to you.
Thank you, Chandima. Let's see how technology could be used in Sri Lanka for the development of any economy, as every economic activities depends on the fund movements and other settlements taking place in timely and secure manner. Then banks need to choose what sense of to adopt in responding to these challenging dynamic, whether to be sharp of their future banking activities. Rapid development of financial technology, electronic payments, and fund transfer systems have been as the twin pillar of modern banking development. Product offers by bank and non-bank institute have moved beyond conventional banking, and now we have access to banking services around the clock within 24 hours, which have helped to improve more effectiveness, lower transaction costs, and promote financial institutions for their growth. In Sri Lanka, we are experiencing technological developments that are transforming financial sector. Digitalizations of financial transactions since originated on 1918s as banks started introducing computerized methods for their day-to-day operations. Since then, a transformation of banking activities from manual processing to digitalization has been take place. This digitalization process has been extended to offer better quality service for their customers with increased convenience by utilizing easy to use mechanism and promoting their business activities. The current banking environment and market players need to be aligned with requirements of their future banking activities, and banks need to make challenges in their go-to-go market approach to starting to achieve their strategical cycles of their business industry. Then let's move to the what are the untouched technologies which are not used in Sri Lanka, and what are the available new technology in the world. First of all, we can see what is the machine learning which is not used in Sri Lanka. Banking forecasting using machine learning allows companies to monitor incoming transaction parameters in real time, and also ML forecasting for bank enable to more accurate reporting by automating credit risks testing of both bank and customers. In addition to that, by evaluating customer financial history, recent transactions, and purchasing patterns, ML can make accurate forecast of future spending and income. Automated risk assessment enables the bank to automatically offer the best possible terms of loan and credit products to the customer based on their risk. Credit risk forecasting for banking using deep learning techniques can eliminate errors on timeline. Another untouched technology is app, the financial application for the vehicle environment created by Spanish bank in partnership with Ford Automobile. Now join application available for sync with uplink. Drivers will able to make balance inquiries for transfers as well as located near branches and ATMs simply by speaking into their Android device. It will be possible to use app in Ford car sync with uplink connectivity system. There is another application P2P bank transfer. P2P stand for person to person, which mean P2P money from our bank account and the bank account of another individual. Then let's move to the small video clip how person to person payment works.
Retail banks can now use Visa Direct to help deliver fast, convenient peer-to-peer payments that seamlessly integrate with consumer accounts and debit cards, providing banks with new opportunities to engage customers in domestic and cross-border P2P transactions. Here's how it can work. Rosetta paid the bill at dinner tonight, and her friend Alex wants to chip in. Both of their banks use Visa Direct for P2P payments, so Alex can send funds directly to Rosetta's debit card account. Alex just finds Rosetta in her banking app, which happens to be synced with her contacts, making it easy to find the right P2P recipient. And there's no need to ask her friend for sensitive information like bank account or routing numbers. Banks can choose to allow payments in dollars, pounds, euros, or any of the 160 transaction currencies supported with Visa Direct integration. Alex enters the amount, and it's on its way to Rosetta's account. While traditional methods can take days to process, Visa Direct enables real-time payments 24/7, even on nights, weekends, and holidays. Visa Direct isn't just for local transactions. It also lets banks offer customers faster, more convenient ways to send and receive money digitally to more than 170 countries cross-border. In this example, Alex needs to quickly transfer funds to help her parents with an unexpected expense back home in Russia. Alex is sending from Europe to Russia, but whether it's the UK to South Africa, the UAE to India, or US to Mexico, banks can take advantage of Visa Direct support for 160 transaction and 60 settlement currencies, making it easier to get money where it needs to go. Through a single connection to Visa's Unified Payouts API, banks can offer multiple ways to send money to accounts abroad. Senders can enter the recipient's debit card number to take advantage of Visa's real-time card network, or enter the recipient's bank account and routing numbers to send across existing domestic ACH and RTP networks. Visa Direct is also backed by the proven security and reliability of Visa. Once you hit send,
The next untouched technology is cloud computing in the banking sector. Continuity of operations, the provider of the cloud computing is the charge of technological management. Financial institutions can improve data security, fault tolerance, and disaster recovery. Cloud computing also offers more reliability and backup for every little price than traditional managed solutions. Chatbot. Chatbot is a basic information provider. Chatbot will help consumers to any basic information like account balance, other inquiries immediately. In this case, chatbot can assist consumers, support personnel dealing with the any frequency, ask questions, and help them improve customer centric approach. A chatbot can act as a solution provider. Let's watch a small video clip how to use chatbot.
Biometric technology. Particularly well suited to the banking industry, biometric authentication offers significant advantage for the bank. With this technology, customers simply scan their fingerprint to gain access to their bank accounts online, giving them a more secure banking experience. API banking refers to a set of protocols that make a bank's services available to other third-party companies via APIs. This helps both bank and third-party companies augment their complementary specialties and offering more than they can provide to their customers by themselves. Let's see a small video how API banking happening.
2 minutes of your time can digitally transform your business. As organizations across industries are transforming their businesses digitally, expectations of customers are on the rise. Let's take the example of Snapdeal, a leading e-commerce company in India. Their customers expect immediate refunds on return of goods because they pay online instantly while buying. A company such as India Infoline, offering gold loans, wants to ensure that the money reaches its customers as fast as possible on approval of the loan. In the case of Akbar Travels, a leading travel agent providing flight, train, bus, and hotel booking services to their sub-agents across India, the company would want to reconcile collections from the agents instantly for quick issuance of tickets to customers and reduction in service calls. We at Yes Bank have the perfect solution. With our API banking service, we have been able to provide instant payment and collection services and much more. API banking is quite simple. Earlier, to be able to do any payments or collections, businesses had to reach out to the bank, visit the branch, send emails, or use internet banking. Now businesses can directly make payments or receive collections in a secure manner without the bank's intervention, leading to superior financial and operational productivity. And all this is possible through any enterprise resource planning system in the world. API banking is useful for salary payments, vendor payments, foreign inward remittances, integrated cash collections, invoicing and bill management, loan disbursement, amongst a host of other functions. This service is highly useful for companies across sectors like e-commerce, financial institutions, education, telecom, healthcare, media, and many more. So now, with Yes Bank's API banking, you can do banking instantly, securely, and seamlessly, 24 by 7. All other corporates have already transformed their business. When will you transform yours? To know more, write to us at yestransact@yesbank.in.
Pandemic financial planning. As more people are heavily affected by the COVID pandemic, Scotiabank has launched a new financial planning hub. Since the citizens have been reassessed their finances due to COVID-19 and other unprecedented economic challenges, this planning hub provides advice and guidance to the customers toward more confident financial decisions. Financial planning, investing, and budgeting are three main tiers, and these are provided by the advisors of Scotiabank. Cashback tools. The Bank of Montreal introduced cashback tools for its customers. Actually, it is a management tool. It indicates upcoming cash shortfalls and how to manage them at all. This facility is available in their BMO mobile app. This app has been created to look up to the 7 days in advance and analyzes its spending pattern and direct customer to manage its funds. Let's watch a video clip of Bank of Montreal.
InvestorLine is an online brokerage with tools to help you plan, select, and monitor your portfolio, and it's getting even better. Now, you can do your self-directed investing on our best-in-class tablet app, no matter when and where you're using it. The accounts page lets you see how your portfolio is doing at a glance and gives you a breakdown of your holdings by asset class, currency, or both. A personalized ticker allows you to view and track real-time quotes of your holdings, market indices, and watch list from anywhere in the app. Create a watch list of the securities you're interested in. Retrieve current quotes. Use our screeners to filter through thousands of stocks and ETFs. And spot price trends using progressive interactive charting. Switch to our exclusive heat map view for a quick snapshot of what's performing well and not so well. And you can take action and make a trade. Simply enter in your order information and click Submit Order. Then, monitor the order status of your trades on the account and trading pages. Make changes if needed. It's the perfect app to trade and manage your investments, from equities, options, and ETFs to mutual funds and GICs. Plus, even do your online banking all in one place. Download the BMO Banking Investor Line app today. BMO, we're here to help.
Now let's move to the challenges when implementing in the new technology in Sri Lanka. Technological improvements is a new experience for bank and for its customers. Both parties are benefited and it end up with win-win situation. But there are some times where the situations goes out of way. Let's look into the challenges that banking sector facing when implementing new technology. Sometimes the bank people ready to change, but the organizational structure and the department heads won't allow to do. And also macroeconomic factors like political, economical, social technology also make influence on it. Another thing is bank budget won't allow to do some implementations since it costs very much. Existing legal frameworks is a barrier to technological improvements. It may differ to country to and country. In order to implement such, there should be flexible legal frameworks too. System security. In system security, the opportunity to get hacked or breakdowns also considered because bank maintaining sensitive data and financial figures. If one door is open, all others also may get exposed. Problems arises with the staff training. Some may reluctant to change from the old technology since they are used to. Considering cost, inquiring regarding the staff training and also should really go parallel with the system updations and skills development. Those are some challenges when implementing new technology. Or to Rashita to continue.
Thank you, Bashini. Let's see what opportunities create with the new technology. The bank functions in a constantly evolving digitalized environment and considers technology risks as one of the most important risks. In 2020, ability to engage the transact with customers digitally was a key differentiator for banks and showcased the critical importance of embracing the digital frontier. Advances in technologies are likely to transform very sphere of banking, including the customer experience, delivery channels, process, automation, and competition. The banking sector has unique competitive edge is underpinned by its technology centered strategy, which was enabled it to build a future fit, agile, and responsive business model. With the implementation of the seamless integration of all banks within one network, interbank settlements have become a lot easier than before. Therefore, one bank balance can be viewed by another bank's ATM at a lesser cost and time. Because of the digital architecture facilitating work from home arrangements, job roles were categorized based on criticality of functions with mobility enabled employees across of all non-critical functions. Moreover, blockchains has become a sought after discussion in the few recent past with increasing popularity in digital currencies such as cryptocurrency. This enables banks to charge a lower transaction fee when compared to traditional interbank settlement system as blockchain is an open source and not governed under a specified party. We uh, we hope that you have a get idea of about the banking technology industry, technology revolution. Thank you.